Gaza's health ministry says 436 shared killed in a day as death toll passes 5,000. We've had an update from the Palestinian Health Ministry in Gaza, which says the number of people killed in Gaza since the 7th of October has risen to 5,087, an increase of 436 since yesterday. That includes 2,055 children, 1,119 women, and 217 elderly people, they say. More than 15,273 people have been injured. As a reminder, the health ministry, like other government agencies in the Gaza Strip, is controlled by Hamas. As we've just reported, Palestinian officials in the Hamas-run health ministry say more than 430 people have been killed in Gaza since yesterday morning. Israel continued its missile strikes and bombings yesterday and overnight. Photos from this morning show families standing next to buildings that have been flattened into rubble, and wounded people lying in the street outside hospitals. This morning, the Israeli military said in the past 24 hours it had struck at least 320 targets, including a tunnel housing Hamas fighters and lookout posts. The IDF says it follows international law and takes feasible precautions to mitigate civilian harm. Israel says 37 Hamas members arrested in West Bank overnight, also away from Gaza. The Israel Defense Forces says it has arrested around 800 wanted Palestinians in the West Bank, including over 500 affiliated with Hamas, since the attack on Israel on the 7th of October. The IDF says 64 people were detained overnight, including 37 members of Hamas.